Hi, everybody. Welcome to week 4/module 4. This week our readings and our learnings are focused around the poor law traditions, the colonial period to the early 1800s, and what exactly are the poor laws? Where did they come from? We will also be learning about colonial settlers, who came over to the colonies and why, and who was already here when they got here. More essentially, what life was like for those folks that came over here, and the roles of family, women, and children. We'll also be learning about the worthy versus the unworthy, and your discussion assignment is actually focused around that this week. One of the other things I wanted to talk about is you guys actually have 3 assignments this week, and I just wanted to clarify because when you're looking at the module here, only 2 of the assignments are mentioned. One is your discussion, of course, with your response. Please don't forget, some of you kind of lost track of the fact that we needed to do responses. So please, just a reminder that every time you do a discussion, you have to do at least 1 response to get those extra points. And then your discussion is answering the questions around the worthy versus the unworthy. And then your second assignment is a policy journal. You've done a couple now, so you should be familiar with that and how to access the policies through the New York Times. Please make sure you're picking current policies, guys, in a current edition of the New York Times. And then the third assignment is actually under here, this poor law traditions, colonial period. If you click on this and wait for it to load up, and we'll go down here, and on your activity table here, it's the last thing listed. It's a policy mini analysis of the policy. The policy that's been chosen is Head Start. Hopefully you've all at least heard of Head Start before. Some of you may have had some interaction with Head Start in some way, shape, or form, or have heard some information on the news about them. Now, if you click on this assignment link here, you'll see that essentially you're using the analysis model from your readings this week, guys. And so the way this activity is set up, it's a mini policy analysis on Head Start. There are 3 articles that you need to use 3 articles for this. You need to reference 3 articles. At least one article needs to come from the Congressional Research Service, and then one needs to come from a think tank. And then the other can come from any of the other articles there, or for instance, like the Urban Institute or the Center on Budget and Policy. Priorities can also, you can use articles from those as well. Once you have your articles, essentially you're just applying the analysis model, and you're addressing these following points right down in here. And this is due day 7, so next Sunday. If you guys have any questions or concerns about that, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. So far, so good. I think everybody's doing pretty well. If anybody's got any questions, you know how to reach me. My cell phone number is 856-524-6773. It's also posted on the website under my contact information, as well as you can message me through Canvas as well. So if you have questions, I look forward to hearing from you. Otherwise, we're going to have a great week, guys, and keep those great assignments coming.